All right, so let's take a look at another thing we need to do. We need to add in the header here, and we're going to add in the width to be 1,000 pixels, and then the margin is going to be 50 pixels. Okay, and then we're going to say auto. If you don't put auto in there, it won't work. So let's hop back into here, and here we go. We now have a nice little website here. The only thing that's kind of annoying is this darker gray. Now the question is do we want the text to be this to be the same as that text here? Because I think the top is going to be a dark, but the rest is going to be this gray color. So how do we do that? Well, this gray color up at the top is this 3B, 3B, 3B. So if we go into the header 2 text and just simply type in color, and we type in 3B, 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 that works out quite well. Now, the next question we need to answer is, what if we make it 2B, 2B, 2B? It's slightly darker, and I actually kind of like that a little bit better. So I'm actually going to go and I'm going to paste it so that it is a little bit better. Now, let's use our eyes for just a second, and I'm actually just going to zoom in a little bit more. You can see that the logo, and let's see how far I can zoom in so I can get the both here. So you want to take a look at this part here down at the bottom, and this part here is a slightly lighter gray than the logo. Now, this may not seem that relevant, but having that small difference in color really does matter. One thing that's kind of annoying is this temp logo here. Let's just go back to the logo and let's make this fit. All right, and then 7, and there we go. So there we go. This is what we're trying to go for here. And of course, we haven't set everything up completely. Now notice how I got this page working first before I started adding on the style points. The reason for that is making sure your page works, and this goes for any bit of software, by the way. Making sure your software works first before you play around with the styling and play around with the aesthetics is really important, and you'll actually get out more items faster. This concludes the tutorial.